Let's make some pineapple and ginger juice. For that, I'm going to need pineapple, some ginger, and some lemons. First, let me start with the pineapple, and then we'll go from there. Let me rinse it out, okay? So, I made this drink for the multicultural fair and people loved it, okay? Like I said, it's only going to be, oh, actually not 3, by the way, 4. I'm gonna put a little bit of sugar in it to make it sweet, not too much, but just enough, okay? So I'm gonna cut all this and then cut all that. I'm going to throw and then slice that to put in the blender. This stem sometimes it's hard, so I usually throw it. So we just do that. Just cutting a little bit smaller. Putting it in that, and I'm going to use the whole pineapple. This is really tasty drink and refreshing. People love this drink when I made it, and my kids, before I even take it over there, they started drinking it. So the whole pineapple, I'm gonna get rid of these. Now let's do the ginger. Just wash them a little bit. So I'm peeling the ginger. Just be careful not to cut yourself. Doesn't have to be perfect. And you're gonna blend all this together in a blender. That's what I'm doing over here. And then strain it. And that'll be that, you know. So 3 ingredients that are gonna blend together. The ginger, the pineapple, and the lemon. You wanna use lemon because lime is too strong. Lime is very, very strong. So it doesn't have to be perfectly peeled. It's peeled enough because you're going to strain all this. Excuse me, little boy. What are you doing? He's playing with the peel that I just threw over there. Okay, so we're done with this. Now let's do lemon. So this one I'm not going to peel it, okay? I'm just cutting. I'm trying to get some skin out. That's my child. And I'll blend 2, and then I'm going to slice 2 to stay in there. Okay, so doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, now I'm going to put water all the way, fill it up with water. And then let's blend this, okay? Let's blend this. Blend this. Let's strain it. First in this strain. See, it's really heavy. So for this one, I'm gonna need more water. So I put it all the way up. I'm gonna need more, like twice. I'm going to get 16 cups. So first I did like 8 or close to 8 because it was full. It had stuff. Now I'm gonna add more. Okay. Let me do this. Just gonna rinse this out and I'll show you. So I need to do one more strain. Okay, one more strain with this smaller one. Okay. Do that so I can help it go. We're almost done, guys. It doesn't take, all this should take you less than 10 minutes to do. 10 minutes, you can have yourself some good, tasty pineapple, sweet pineapple ginger drink. Okay, so that's, I'm gonna throw. So like in the past, I used to do, if I make tea, I'll use that and boil it and make some tea. You can do that with the peel, the pineapple and the ginger peel. You can boil that for weight loss.
I heard you smile.
Oh, did you hurt yourself? Did you hurt yourself with a big watermelon? Oh. Oh my god, this is like so to the brim. I add some sugar. Let's add like 4 scoops of sugar. And this is it says 1/4 of a cup, so I'm gonna do 4 of these. That's the third, right? 4? Yeah. So I think this wasn't a good container to add the sugar in, but so I put it in this big container, a big jar. And then I was able to do this, but I'm afraid it's gonna spill because I had it up to the brim. So but I need to add some more water. Okay. With the amount of sugar I put in there, 4 more cups. Okay, 4 more cups. So one thing I didn't do, some lemon slices in there, 2 big lemons. You can do however many you want. So this is looking fabulous. Okay. Okay, you wanna come and try this side? Ooh, sweet.
Can you use it like that?
Yes. But the pineapple,
Why does it look so much less than yesterday?
I didn't put too much water like yesterday. Doesn't taste sweet. And this pineapple is not from the Asian store. Yesterday was the Asian store. This one is from Aldi. So there it goes. My wonderful, tasty.
It's gonna be gone by 12 o'clock.
Please don't finish my pineapple
By 12
ginger juice. Guys. Oh, this thing is so good. So,
Look,
like I was-
she said don't finish it. She's finishing herself.
So like I was saying, I took this to the fair. I just made it really quick and I took it. I was like, okay, whatever. People won't try it. People started drinking. Actually, my daughter started drinking it before we even get there. I'm like, dude, don't finish the
I
juice.
told you I was about to drink it.
So it's really tasty. Try it. You need only 3 ingredients. Okay. Well, you can add the sugar. It makes it a little bit sweet. Just you know, the pineapple itself is sweet. So you need pineapple, ginger, and lemon. That's it. Blend that up. Add some water, and add some sugar. You don't have to add too much water. I think if you add less water, the pineapple itself is sweet. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and try this drink. It's super tasty. Let me drink. Ooh. Please don't finish it while I'm sleeping. Leave for the family too. Let them try it too.
I heard this game.